In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the voice in Higgsfield. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and then once you are in the dashboard, I want you to hover to the audio section on the top corner where you can see multiple options here. As you may notice, it offers different features, and what we are looking for is the change voice feature, where we can swap voices in any video. Once you click on it, you will be forwarded here. Matter of fact, there is like a small dial where you want to choose the feature that you wanted. But of course, we are just going to choose the change of voice. And from here, all I have to do is click the reference video. You can drop it here or choose from your computer. I am choosing this specific file, and it may take a little while. Once the video has been successfully uploaded, all I have to do is, as you may notice, Higgsfield allows customization. You can also tweak the voice preset. I want you to click on it, this one. You can choose from any of the following voice models like Tallulah, Roman, Mabel, Sterling, Quinn. It's up to you. Basically, there's a lot to choose from. And if you wanted to create your custom voice, you can do that as well. But remember, every time you see a sparkle or a star, that means it requires for you to use your own credits. If you are particular and aware of your credits, you might want to skip that for now and choose from any of the following models. So we're going to choose maybe Julian for male and click the generate button. It requires 12 credits, so we're going to choose the one that doesn't require too much credit because this is only for tutorial. Now I'm going to choose Tallulah and click the generate button. What will happen is the video, if it has an audio or a voiceover, it will automatically change it to the Tallulah voice preset. This may take a little while depending on the duration or the length of the video that you have uploaded. Now, once the video has been successfully rendered with the change of voice, try to preview that if this is what you wanted, and there is a drop-down menu if you want to translate, change voice. It's up to you, or once you're happy, click the download button. It's super simple. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to change a voice in Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.